What?
0.
0. Adding any two natural numbers gives us natural number, right? Right? Next, what is whole number? Anybody knows the answer? Just raise your hand. Whole numbers. Whole numbers? Yes, that's right. Very good. Sit down. So, the numbers starting from 0 to infinity are known as whole numbers and represented by the letter whole numbers. W, right? Next, if we subtract any two whole numbers, then the resultant number would be what? If we subtract any two numbers, then the resultant number will be whole numbers, right? Why are you saying it no? If we subtract any two whole numbers, then the resultant number always be the whole number. So next, what are the whole numbers along with negative numbers are called as? Yes.
Integers.
Integers. Yes, very good. So today our topic is integers. Now we are going to explore the topic of integers. That is integers and number line and properties of integers under addition and subtraction. Clear? So what's the topic?
Integers.
Integers. Don't make noise. So what is number line? What is number line? Yes. So number line is a visual representation of number in the which shows the values of whether it is increasing or decreasing, right? And it contains marked numbers which are equal distance from each other. Clear? So, how can we represent integers and number line? Let me show you a simple chart. This is the integers chart and this is integers and number line. Is this clearly observed by all? Clearly visible to all? Yes. It starts with the number 0 as the reference number. From 0 towards right, negative integers. From 0 to left,
Negative integers.
clear? So, integers can be defined as the integers are the collection of whole numbers and
Negative numbers.
Repeat it.
Integers are the collection of whole numbers and negative numbers.
Clear? So, what we are going to define? Integers are the repeat.
Integers are the collection of whole numbers and negative numbers.
Whole numbers and
Negative numbers.
negative numbers, right? Negative numbers means what? The number which contains minus sign, right? Then whole numbers containing previously we have defined the whole numbers now. There is unique number 0 and positive numbers. Or we can in the concept of integers we can say negative integers. So integers are the combination of positive integer and negative integers along Why? Because some of the great mathematicians derived the concept of integer from the Greek word Zahlin. Which word? Greek word Zahlin. Spell Zahlin, which means number. So instead of I, we represent the integers with the letter Z. Clear? Yes. So what is integer? Integers are the collection of numbers represented by the letter Z. Instead of I, because it is derived from the Greek word Z, which means numbers. Clear? So now we are going to explore some of the rules of addition and subtraction on number line. Anybody should come up on the stage. Yes. So what we gonna do? Initially, suppose we have to choose one integer number. 3. Just shift it a bit. Slowly. That's right. 3. Suppose we are gonna add a positive number. Any one positive integer. So add a positive integer. Yeah, choose any one. 5. Right. 3 plus 5 is 8. Initially the integer will be in
Left.
3 position. And we are going to add 5. Then the integer will move towards 8. Just move. Yes. Initially the integer will be in 3. Again we add a positive integer. So we are going to move towards in which direction? Right direction. Just right up. Move towards the right. Spell. Give a clap for him. When we add a positive integer, we move towards the right. Suppose we add a negative integer. Suppose initially 3, then negative integer means minus 2.